I will be talking about exploited vulnerabilities. Based on evidence of active exploitation, there are some vulnerabilities used by malicious cyber actors to attack organizations or private internet users. Referring to products like Windows and iOS family. By Windows, the vulnerability name is CLFS, Microsoft Windows Common Log File System Driver Privilege Escalation Vulnerability. CLFS driver contains an unspecified vulnerability which allows for privilege escalation. By iOS family is the iOS remote code execution vulnerability. The Apple kernel, which is included in iOS, contains an unspecified vulnerability where an application may be able to execute code with kernel privileges. Just follow vendor instructions and apply updates to your system. It is very crucial. Be alert. Regards. Please subscribe and like my videos.